What?
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you just open right here for the very first time, I am Mimi, and today I'm here with another prank video. Right now, I'm not in my room, I'm in my neighbor's room. They are not around, they went to pick up stuff, but they'll be back in, I think, in some hours time. So I'm just gonna wait for them. Yes, I'm literally gonna wait for them, and I must do this prank. I'm gonna be doing the coffee now blood prank on them. I'm going to be doing the coffee now blood prank on them, and I'm going to do it in a way that I don't even know. I just pray this prank comes out well. So if you want to see their reactions, I just watch this video to the end, and I think the both of them are going to react to this, and they are going to call neighbors. Me and Jessica are literally doing this prank together.
Hi guys.
We are literally doing this prank together, so she's part of the whole plan. So I'm just trying to check if they are coming or they are not coming, but I just pray this prank comes out well. So let's see when they come back.
2,000 years later.
So guys, we are back.
They are back. Where is the other one? Okay, let me go and set the camera right now. Yes. Hello, come back. Where are twins? Bang. You want to go buy it? Bango. That's bango for me. Okay. Bango. What should cook now, babe? Yeah? What do you want to cook?
Rice.
Yeah, cook. When that rice will take done today? I said they bring for to submit.
Ejima.
Adeba.
What?
Hey, look what? What's my uncle? Small, you don't pass me kill you there. Morning.
One eternity later.
Don't come back. Let you go back.
I will be like that.
Which will be correct? Go back bango. Say you correct.
Okay.
It's about to go down.
What?
Mimi, what is it?
Pure water. Sorry.
What is it?
Do you drink anything? So.
He has pipi. He's not saying of that. I know this one is actually. This is again.
Oh no!
Mama, say come on. This one is going to go down.
I just lock or door for like. When Mama says Jesus Christ, this guy, he will kill me, stupid guy. My BP don't lie, so don't try this kind of joke again.
It's the same person one die for a room.
For a room.
And then this one go locked down.
No, that was saying he's not
I
a
locked down,
If you have a sickness, some people answer with
Don't even try on again.
Jesus.
Bunga. Mega la gunga go.
Listen, my dear, okay.
Mega la.
No, you take care of it.
Tojima.
Jessica,
They are so scared there. Hey, so look at them. So guys, I just finished pranking them and it was so funny. Like their reactions were funny. One of the twins went to lock the door. So I asked him why he went to lock the door. He said he didn't want anyone, like if for example I have a sickness, that he didn't want any other person outside to know that I have a sickness. That was why he went to lock the door, so that nobody will come in and then find out that I have a sickness. That was so thoughtful of him, Sha, because yeah, that was nice. What he did was nice, so that people do when they find out that you have a sickness, they start laughing at you. Hey, see that one that has this, that, something. And the second one was holding me, like telling me, "Are you okay? What happened?" Child, they are caring. They gave me meat. See, they gave me meat, and see, they are very caring. They gave me meat, and I'm enjoying myself. They are very, very caring. Yeah. In fact, literally, they are the only ones I'm very close to in my lodge. And one other guy called Asino that I normally charge my phone. Very soon, you are going to see most of them on this channel. So, if you've watched this video and you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm kind of, I don't know. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Come and join me, I'm eating meat. Like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Give your girl that subscription, yeah? Take me to 1K, guys. Give me a birthday gift. The only birthday gift I need from you people now is just subscribe. Just subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Catch you all.